Sup?
Go outside, Lulu?
Go.
Ready?
One more time. One more time.
Go outside, Lulu? Ready?
That dog was like, that. He's like, what the fuck is this? Fuck that. Okay, I can only imagine what that dog was thinking. Like, he was probably thinking, or she was probably thinking, what the fuck is this? It's white as fuck. It's bright as fuck. It feels cold. I'm not even putting one paw on that shit. What the fuck is this? You know what? I'll take my chances. I'm a pee in the house. I don't really care if you pop my ass, if you whoop me. But I don't know what that white shit is. Pause. I don't know what that is. Okay? And that shit is nearly as tall as me. So I'm not fucking with that. I'm bouncing. I'm peeing in the house. Enough said. I remember my baby sister. I remember the first time she saw snow. She was freaking the hell. She was freaking the hell out. Like, what? She was like, what is this? She couldn't really talk. She's like 3. But the first time she saw it, she was like, she was just freaking out. It shit was fucking hilarious. But that reminded me. That reminded me of the first time I ever got hiccups. Like, the first time I ever got hiccups, I was also freaking out because I was like, what the fuck is this? What the fuck is going on? I'm dying. Okay, this is it. This is it. I'm sorry. But, hey, can someone tell me what exactly goes on in the human body when someone hiccups? Is it like, does your heart skip a beat? I don't know exactly what goes on. What goes on? All right, but yeah, that dog was like, fuck that. Keep it cool, keep it classy, and I love you. Stay happy, my family.